Kethera kuri na mtu ugukarata kakiothi kamugarukirite kia siasa ni Rais William Ruto. Nyuma ya Rigathi Gachagua kweberwa gitene kia munini wawe, Rigathi ni ambiririe kuura thirikari na kinya kumimeneria onto aritaga Mwankira Nandi ore wambiria kugwata ugeni asiasa kathomba baria bategwitikaniria na Rais Ruto na Rua barenda gitari Fred Matiang'i, Martha Karua, Mithika Linturi, Eugene Wamalwa, Kalonzo Musyoka na Bangi nibethirite bonthe bakioneka kurungamana mwerekera jumwe jwa gisiasa. Bakioneka kira bonthe bakwenda ni kuania Ruto na wakioneka gutumochore na Raila Kinyabo nibonekete Nandi kwambiria gukirithana na nitaka ati kwamukira ugwati mbaru kuma kiria kia mababonthe na jakabo butingania chore bakaraja baruto bario tandindi nyoro Nandi nibamugarukite na gutwika anthu bawe. Mwandiki wetu Wantito Morgan Mweti na gichunki gia siasa.
Murumujo 2027 nijo ambiritie tayari kuinainia nthiguru ore antuko ikomatuka. Nyuma ya kweberwa kwa munini wa rais gukurukira impeachment, Rigathi Gachagua na ambiritie miango ya kuthurania njore iria bari na wirigiro niyo ikania Rais Ruto mweri Juni mwaka 2027 muthenya karingugu.
I'll be unveiling the party shortly, and then we'll have a very big launch before the end of the month. Very colorful and big launch, and we will invite people to come from all over the country. It's a national party. Itakuwa na kila Mkenya, itakuwa na uso wa Kenya na chama nzuri. Na from there, after the launch, hopefully we will participate in the coming by-elections, and from there nitazunguka Kenya na officials wangu tukifungua maofisi, tukiuza chama, tukiuza sera. Sisi tunatafuta serikali. Na jia kutafuta serikali kwanza ni kutoa yule ako. Kwa hivyo that is our first priority. So tusiambiwa tunataka kumtoa ati hatuna sera. Tuko na sera. Siku ya manifesto ikifika before the election, we'll explain what is our manifesto. Tutasema sera zetu ni gani.
Tayari ikundika thumba ibiambiritie kuriungira Gachagua njako hewa munyoro na reme bango ya gutura Rais Ruto iambiritie kubanganua. Bamoba siasa barabonekete kwa kuina Gachagua nija Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka wa kiama kia Wiper, Jeremiah Kioni, Antonia Jubilee na Bangi baba ingi. Wakurigaria Buruni Martha Karua. Nyuma ya guciabania na nteto cia Raila Odinga, Martha Karua nonekete akigwatana na Rigathi Gachagua reko ubatona na ritho kwa ritho kiri campaign cha kithurano gya 2022.
Corruption must be fought, and the real corruption is state capture and conflict of interest.
What is state capture?
State capture is where the people in power compete with citizens for scarce resources, where the people in power use their position to advantage themselves to get business unfairly, where people in power allocate resources to projects where they have an interest.
I
want to help Mr. Gachagua. State capture is the repurposing of the state to serve individuals rather than public good. And corruption cartels in this country, whoever they are, have strangled the country. Eyes opened by saying Kenya can't breathe.
Mutongeri ongero tumirite kwaraniria na Wamunyoro na gwitana mbere gwikira kambi ya Rais Ruto mpio ni uria wari minister wokaria bwandene kiri thirikari ya Rais Uhuru, Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Matiang'i na shokerete nthigurune na murumo jotonekana kaire na ra amukiri kwa ontere chagusi ni kirindi gya antu baba ingi.
Tuoma Ruto abuna manga
Indi rikana no Gachagua nugite no arungame gitikio rais kiria gieteri ikona ura kambeje kaibangania.
President who means well for this country and who puts national interest above personal and commercial interest.
Is that you?
It could be me or somebody else. Yeah. I am not saying I'm the solution to the problems of Kenya. I can play a part. If the people of Kenya decide that I should, I will. If they decide somebody else should, I'll support.
Wamunyoro agita na mbere kuthuranira njore ya gwakaniria Rais Ruto na kunaja miru ititigi nyuma. Mithika Linturi urorari waziri wa urimi na ugite ati Nandi bakwambiria kugwatana na chore baberu kirindo ya gutunyura na Kenya na kambi ya Rais Ruto. Na kanywa kau Linturi Mauka Maore amona atongeria Bangi na Akari nibonekete bariungite Wamunyoro kwa Rigathi Gachagua kuthithia muchemane jo munene no. Jaurjete tena mbere na Peter Munya uraba inge barachiraga ati agatonya thirikari ya Rais Ruto ja waziri na ugete atina mibango je uburu na wekire akwendaki ni kurura gitukio ngavana aja kaunti ya Meru.
uni thayo tingu ingi nguchwa ngwira nguchwa ingwe ngavana wa Meru 2027 na mathani yakwa yonthe na kainya karandi nako konthe ndi kaikira laini ni uyo chwete kia ngavana wa Meru na waka kiama kia PNU ntina njende ngi na bue nuntu kwina ripoti kwa nguchwirwa ngui bwiro tengwe nguchwirwa otengwe ndarawa na kinyankewa otiyonkwenda.
Rais Ruto na ngariko wingi mantu ijambirite kumwimbira ntere cionthe ndemwe na kutharikirwo ni acore bawe au kabere jandindi nyoro urio gukarire mibango yawe yonthe muno iegi kigina kia thirikari na ndejingi acore bawe baberu jabo kiama kia ODM gitongeretwo ni Raila Odinga ibambiritie ndoa cia rungu. Atongeria bomwe ba kiama giki ja Senator wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna, Governor wa Siaya James Orengo na bangi ibagwakaniria muno thirikari ya Ruto kinya kethorani beta itiroku gukurukira mutaratara jora betaga broad based government.
We are in a broad based arrangement, but it will not stop me for saying the truth. Honorable Ngondowere came out and said that his life was in danger more than once, and he is a member of parliament. What did you do? We wanted you to take action before he was killed. We wanted you to take action before he was killed. And so we want to tell you that where a member of parliament has complained that his life is in danger and you don't take action, please let us know what you know of it. You cannot kill us like dogs and expect us to be quiet. No, we will not. Tell us why you did not act.
Because Raila himself has told us that he did not ask Ruto to support him. And when he announced that he was going to run for this thing, it was of his own volition. He said it himself. If there is somebody lying to Ruto, because everybody knows this was supposed to be a ruse to try and come and blackmail, because he knows people love Baba. He knows people love Baba. So he comes and tells us, oh, I supported him, I helped him, I did this for him, and this and that, so that he blackmails Raila supporters emotionally, because we like when people do good things for Baba and when they honor him. But what has he done for us as a people? The people who are going to vote in this particular election will be asking those questions.
Kinya Raila Odinga na mbiritia kuthogia thirikari nene akigika gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kumana na kuthuka kwa barabara kaunti neu.
Roads also is devolved. You don't need Kura and Kera. Have only Kenha for the national government dealing with international highways, national trunk roads, and feeder roads, and leave all the other roads in the regions to counties and send the money down there. Why should you be building markets for counties? Let counties build a market themselves. How about affordable housing? Let counties build affordable housing. Then you will not be talking about 15%. You will be talking about 35 to 40% devolved funds. Then you can blame the governors if they're not working. But you cannot blame Governor Sakaja for roads in Nairobi which are not under his jurisdiction. Most of the roads in Nairobi are not county government roads. They are all Kura and Kera roads.
Na kunaja Meru nyuma ya tongeria baguntu huku kuthithia michamanio nkabo na Rais Ruto na munini we Profesa Kithure Kindiki Ameru ibambiritia kuria biuria gurura michamanio ezi na kiuria niri nata michamanio ezi ya witi na mbere baguntu kumwe iguiko magita jamu ingi anto mairaneja ingua na kairiri nata michamanio mwanya kuariria witi na mbere baguntu huku iguiko kwa Rais na munini wawe ntuku mwanya na nogi ntuki mugi kuarirwa mithikali nturi na ugite atinte to hizi ni chiabangi rira Meru yetikiririe kugwata mbaru William Ruto.
Antu bonde ba Meru baraba ngudiwiro baraba kumea twewe tana ara kemu itu ari economic charter era ya sainirwe between antu ba Meru na President William Ruto. Kwa mheshimiwa Kanyuethia no hari master of ceremony that day twandikanira na twasaina na tuguhabibyo tukwenda Meru munene wathurwa uketa ututhithirie so rangu ari mantu like minded people ni antu abaina background na bana institutional memory ya thenjani ira twa movere na tuwoke tokinya aturi na bakuona bra tuwite and president eya atuya an account ya bra athithite to once responding ke agreement yento no thirikari yonde okororirwa thirikari na wananchi bathitha cira twita social contract ya miaka 5.
Mubunge wa Central Imenti Kirema Ngushine nageretia gutetera michamani yezi
blueprint ira twikitie development ndene constituency kwou critics baraba go criticize ya triple yetu gwita naria na bo bangi twale ya gwita bangi bageta twale ya gwita development chietu igeta na bangi baraba kagira
na nandikira gieteri ikona kethoro ngwataniro jinjeru igachiara matunda kana ikanywa nthi jaruji Rwanda. Morgan Mwiti, gichungi gia siasa,